This is the official DJI charging hub. It comes in with the DJI Mini 2 AC Fly Mode combo pack. Here you can charge up to 3 batteries at once. Once you insert all the batteries, it will start charging from the one that has the most charge in it. Here you can see 4 LEDs under each and every battery slot. The LEDs indicate the charging level. The first one indicates 1 to 25%, the second one 25 to 50%, the third one 50 to 75%, and the last one 75 to 100% are fully charged. The LEDs will blink once you plug them into the wall according to what charge they are currently at. And these batteries take up to 1.5 hours to charge each, so it will take about 4.5 hours to fully charge, and you can leave it overnight to charge, but that is not preferred. If you guys want to know how to keep your battery health good, let me know in the comments down below.